Alright, now we're going to take a look at Unit 5 Corporate Art. Okay, to start off with, we got this picture here. This is for Nike Soccer. You can see the logo real prominent there on the shoe, on the shirt. The all-new TS1 Laser. Okay, John Lacey, Sydney FIFA Soccer. Okay, great advertisement here. They use emphasis and contrast, emphasis by contrast to show the ball. Everything else is in black and white. The background's been blurred out. This is a really nice ad design with the tagline and the product and the logos all showing. Okay, we're going to use some of these same techniques to develop our own advertisements, and we're also going to throw in a sense of style. Okay, so let's go over to Blackboard and take a look at the project. Okay, now again, corporate art starts with a discussion, and that discussion is about some doodle for Googles, and you're going to take a look at some print ads, and you're going to post them. You're going to comment on each other's work. You're going to comment on these doodle for Googles and post your responses in the discussion page. If we look at the project page here, this has an ad design tutorial, so you can go through that. Some planning documents. This design manifesto. This document is getting you to think about how you're going to design your project. What things do you want to include? Tagline. You're going to have to come up with a tagline, and where to place the logo. All this sort of thing. A peer review sheet. This is for more in the in-class participants, but you can also do this through the discussion page. Use these peer review sheets to help each other with your projects. And the approved sketch. So before you actually get into making your image, your ad, you need to sketch out what your idea is, what it's going to look like, your tagline, colors, all that sort of thing, before you get into the actual Photoshop picture. So you're going to have to draw on some paper, show it to me, get it signed off, and then you can move forward. Now let's take a look at some of the finished projects here. Okay, so here this is a commercial or an ad for Audi. These are all student made. Okay, the future is here. This one is the future is here. This is for Porsche. This is a sleek style. Another sleek style here. These students are use a style to simplify their advertisement. There'll also be a PowerPoint that you can go through to help you understand what some styles that you're going to use, and you have to pick a style or develop a style that you're going to use for your advertisement. A style basically is a way of using the elements and principles of design in a very specific way. Okay, so here there's lots of textures and bright colors. So textures, colors, a lot of overlapping, a lot of random rhythm. Okay, those are elements and principles. Bright colors, a lot of different textures, a lot of variety. Okay, these are elements and principles. And by making certain choices about different elements and principles, you develop a style. To wrap up, you're going to do a doodle for Google. Here's the entry information. And the other thing about the doodle for Google, and you'll see this in the assessment page, is it doesn't have a filled-in rubric. You will create your own rubric based on the things that they're looking for in the judging criteria on the doodle for Google page. You and the class will develop a rubric for what's better or lesser. And here's the rubric for the ad design, and then again a test. And that is Unit 5 Corporate Art.